How can a small compressor deliver really big benefits? By using variable speed drive technology, for the first time ever in the 2 to 7.5 kilowatt size range. Meet the all-new Rollair 300 to 850V from Worthington Creyssensac, the compact compressor that will live up to your supersized expectations. To start, it's more reliable, because we know time is money and compressor uptime means getting things done. Our VSD technology ensures a smooth and gentle startup. We're talking about an 80% decrease in stress on key components such as bearings and belts, giving you a long lifetime and lower maintenance costs. On top of that, the Rollair V's gradual start reduces the inrush current. This protects electrical components from overheating. You also avoid expensive penalties from your utility provider. Next, it's quieter, by a lot. Running at 70%, the Rollair V is super silent, producing 3 to 5 decibels less than our low-noise fixed-speed units and up to 25 decibels less than piston compressors. That's because its variable speed drive doesn't run at 100% the entire time like fixed-speed models, but instead matches the ups and downs in your air demand. This results in lower, quieter element and fan speeds. Moving on to efficiency, the larger Rollair V models deliver big-time energy savings. 20% for the 5.5 kilowatt unit and 30% for the 7.5 kilowatt model. Your net result? Reduced operational expenses and total cost of ownership. And of course, less energy consumption can also support your sustainability efforts. And then there's the Connect. It might be our most sophisticated controller yet. It gives you easy control, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Much of it from your smartphone or tablet. And thanks to its automatic over-the-air software updates, your compressor will get even better over time. So when you run a small shop with big compressor demands, the Rollair 300 to 850V has got you covered. To find out more, check WorthingtonCreyssensac.com.